Hello everybody, welcome back again. Today we're gonna cook some cow foot and tripe. Cow foot with a twist. And I'm gonna show you first how I washed my meat. I wash my meat like this and I wash my fish. I'm gonna use some lemon. You squeeze some lemon. I have the water already on my tripe and my cow foot. I use the lemon and like this, and I squeeze it, and then I use my vinegar. You can put a little like this and you wash. A lot of people is asking me how I use the vinegar and the lemon to wash. This is what I do. Wash it properly so all the fat and the brine and whatever will come out. So if you look, this is the tripe. For those of you who do not know tripe, it's already clean, and I got it like that. And this is a cow foot or beef feet. And then I'm gonna rinse off this water and put it flat because I don't want it. Rinse off the water. And then I'm gonna get fresh water and I'm gonna rinse it again. Rinse. So that, you know, when you're eating meat, you feel confident and comfortable that you have to clean. I like to wash my meat real good. Clean meat. This is not really my favorite dish, but my husband loves this and his brother, so I'm making this especially for them. This is some of the seasoning that I use. This is parsley. Then I put a little rosemary. I put my pepper, my hot pepper. I put a little, like 2 little leaves of bay leaf. I have a little piece of ginger, thyme, Italian seasoning. I combine this. I buy it and combine like 3 different Italian seasoning. And then this a little browning. I'm gonna put a little tip of browning, not too much. Onion powder, garlic powder. This is an onion. I'm gonna grate her. And then I have my bell pepper. I have salt. I have Chinese sauce. And then I sometimes put a little tip, like a teaspoon of mushroom sauce. And you cannot cook this without having your butter bean. This is make it taste even good. And I'm gonna have it with, you can have it with rice, white rice, your vegetable on the side if you're watching your weight. Whatever, you can have it with green bananas, whatever you want. I'm combining all my seasoning with my herbs. And this is how I do it. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. You see? You have to make all the seasoning touch all the meat. So you have to rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. And then I'm going to marinate for like an hour. Or you can do this overnight. If you do it overnight, it will even taste nicer. But if you don't have the time, you make it marinate and stay seasoned before you cook, like for an hour. And then I'm gonna put it in my instant pot. Let me wash my hands, and then I show you guys already how to use the instant pot, but you know, some people still asking me. I'm gonna put my meat, then I'm gonna put the water. Do not cover the meat with the water. You know, make sure you can see the meat instead of seeing the water. Maybe you can put 2 cups. Your measuring cups, 2 cups. And this is how you put it on. Close. It say close. You make sure it's closed. And you press, I'm going to press pressure cooker because, you know, cow foot is very tough. So I'm gonna cook pressure cooker. And plug it in pressure cooker, and then you see it will cook away. It say preheat. It will say preheat. Then it say cook, and then when it's cooked, it will beep, and you know it's finished. And you open. Make sure this little thing is out. This little thing is out. When you're gonna, first of all, this little part is very important for it to cool. If you want to let it sit and wait, you can sit and wait, and then. But if you want to cook you season your meat right away, you use a fork. Use a fork, and you lift this, and then the steam will come out. After that, that is when you're gonna push this button. Sometimes it's red, sometimes it's black. You're gonna push down, and you're gonna turn to your left. Close to your right, turn to your left. Most of these things are similar. It's my Instant Pot. It have many features. You can cook bean, whatever, and porridge. You can cook egg. It can cook whatever you want. All the features are here. Rice. And, you take out, and then you can put it in another pot. And you can add more seasoning, taste it. If it tastes good, you can eat it like that. If you want more seasoning, you add a little seasoning, and that's the time you're going to put in your butter bean. And then you're going to have a delicious meal. So my cow foot and tripe, cow foot with a twist, it's finished. My Instant Pot, it's finished. So I open. This way. And if it's cooked and it's ready, it's soft, it's falling off the bone, as you can see. And so I'm just going to put it in my pot now. I have my other pot, and I'm going to cook it down a little bit and put some cornstarch and put my butter bean, and then I'll be ready to eat. Good. Hello. Yes, so I'm mixing my cornstarch. I use 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, so my gravy will get thick. You look how pretty it is. I'm going to put in my cornstarch and see what happens here. You stir and you see how thick you want it. How thick you want your gravy to be. Some people use flour. I don't like to use flour. I use cornstarch. It's more lighter and you won't have any lumps if you mix your cornstarch in cold water. And I still think that it could be a little bit more thicker. And then I'm going to put in my butter bean. Butter bean! Yes, so I put my butter bean and it's cooking away. So pretty. So nice. Yes, you can see it. And the gravy is the right liquidity that I want. And as I told you, I put my cornstarch for thickening. And now I'm going to put it in a bowl and we're going to ready to eat. So you know what? Please subscribe and like and hit the notification bell and YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Have a pleasant and wonderful evening. Mwah. Subscribe and like and hit the notification bell that you never miss one of our videos. Thank you again. Thanks for listening. Mwah.